Dry wells. Dry wells are always the topic of conversation when it comes to a water issue. The problem is, can you build one big enough? Well, you want to definitely build one that has a lot of void. We have an example here. I'm using this video. I'm doing a voiceover to explain what you can do in the event that you want to use the dry well technique. So we have high octane in here. You have to dig a big enough hole, so you're going to have to rent a track hole. You realistically cannot dig this by hand. You're going to have to rent a piece of equipment and dig out a hole large enough for 3 high octanes, or possibly 4, depending on what it is you're trying to do. I mean, if you have a monster water problem, then I'm going to tell you leach field, and forget the dry well. But if you have small and medium water issues, and if you go big enough with the dry well, it can be achieved to where you're going to 85% of the time have success with your dry well. Now, in poor percolation, it will run into, say, times where it's just rain week after week, kind of the monsoon season, if you will. And once it's full, it's full. But if you build them like this, so we ship 3 of the high octane coils for people, creates a lot of void. And then we also ship the dual wall culvert pipe that's in the center, creates more void. Now, if your dry well does fill in a pinch, easy to drop a pump in that dual wall culvert pipe in the center. So this more ideas for you DIYers. You're always asking me all kinds of questions. There you go. That's what I would do, and that's what I do in dry well situations.